Picture this: a perfectly golden, crispy fried fish that's ready in under a minute. It's not a dream, it's a reality, and here's how to make it happen. First, season your white fish fillets, whether it's cod or tilapia, with a dash of salt, a sprinkle of pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika for that extra kick. Then, coat each fillet in all-purpose flour. This is where the magic happens. Next, preheat your frying oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're looking for that perfect sizzle when the fish hits the pan. Now, carefully place your seasoned and coated fish fillets into the hot oil. Fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they're golden brown. Oh, can you smell the crispy goodness incoming? Once they're perfectly golden and crispy, remove the fillets and let them drain on paper towels. Just look at that crunch. To finish, serve it up with some lemon wedges for that zesty touch. And there you have it, the perfect crispy fried fish in a snap. If you enjoyed this quick recipe, give it a like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tasty shorts. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next bite-sized video.